Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Junior, we were just in school. Oh, my camera's... Okay, there we go. Junior, we were just in school.
It was a wasting time at school.
It really was. We got school, ate, and then because of the snow, yes, Georgia got snow. I know. It's amazing. Look at this. Okay, I know you guys probably, some people not in Georgia probably have it worse. But Georgia, we never get snow. I mean, we do, but it's like in January, not in December. Yeah, Georgia's weird. Yeah. Hey, Mimi. Hey, Mimi, yeah. Oh, you're cold. You're cold. Okay, yeah, so we got snow, which is great. My feet are soaked because, well, for one, I'm dark. Okay, for one, I did not wear good shoes. I wore some tennis shoes. Well, I wore some Pumas, okay? And it was bad because the snow got in my socks and my shoe, and I feel bad now, okay? It's really cold. I'm just trying to warm up here. But look at this. It's snowing. Oh yeah, it's December the 8th. It's my little brother's birthday. Saladito, happy birthday. Yeah, no, look at Christmas right there. Okay, great. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna be doing today. I decided to pick up the camera because it was snowing. So yeah, that's that. It's Zoe! Tozy, you like the snow? You like the snow? Oh, look at that smile. Yeah, this is her second time in the snow, so yeah. Good Kimpo. Sit, hey, shoot it, up. You just go between my legs. Wow, so you're not. Okay. Yeah, alright guys. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm just gonna vlog. I don't really care. So, yeah. Look at that, guys. It's snowing. It's so lovely. I love it. Snow's probably like 3 inches. So that's kind of cool. Yeah. It's great. You know, in Georgia, it like never snows in December. It's one of the rare moments. And when it does, it just, what's it called? It's called flakes? No. I don't know what it's called, okay? I forgot, okay? It's okay. But look, you guys get your daily Dory. It's okay, mira. Look at this. It's doughy. You look so annoyed. I love you. Okay.
Aaron.
Okay.
Where are they? They say they're with us. Oh, they're at Pleasant
It's his
Park.
birthday. Aaron's
They're
here
at
too.
Pleasant Park. Oh my god.
Yeah, Aaron and Aldo are playing some Fortnite. It's great. Aaron, say hi to the vlog.
Hey dog.
Hey dog. I'm gonna say some wise words.
Don't do drugs.
Don't do drugs, I love it. You're not. How's your Game Boy?
Aaron, where are you going? I'm going up here to see if there's anything.
Can I see something? You can.
I'm blue.
We literally went to the flea market and he bought a Game Boy that he found. It was great. Hey, Shaji. You sleepyhead. Hey, Aaron. Hey.
Oh, I found rocket launcher bullets.
Nice. Okay. I don't know what I'm vlogging about right now. I really don't. I'm just recording. This is okay. It's okay. Yeah. I started watching Naruto again. Naruto Shippuden. I don't know. I kind of wanted to finish it because I was told to watch Boruto, but I'm like, nah. I gotta finish Naruto first. So I'm about to finish watching Naruto. I'm like in episode 210. I don't know. It's like 460 something episodes. But look at the snow. It's so nice. I love it. I love it. Guys, I'm wearing so much. I got a thick hoodie with fur on. And then I got another hoodie. And then I got a beanie. And then I'm wearing 2 layers of pants. I'm not trying to be cold. I'm saving my friends. Literally don't know how, but this giant branch right here fell out of the tree. It's crazy. It's beautiful. It's judgy. It's Bonita. Hi Bonita, how you doing? Because they're playing snow. They're snowball fighting. It's amazing. One time. Look at my dad. This is Dory's second time in the snow, and I don't know if she likes it or not. Oh! All right. I got the worst shoes for these. Okay, go. I don't know if I got that.
Your phone! Aaron!
Oh no, Aaron, your phone!
Oh my god.
Junior.
What?
We ain't got no work today.
I know, right? I'm glad.
I'm glad too.
Yeah. No worries.
Okay. Oh, it's cold. Okay. Oh. Man, I'm using my left hand to throw it. Guys, I got water splishy splashy. It's so bad. Man, photo shoot. Don't throw that at me. Don't throw that at me. She shot me right here. She shot me in my butt. Oh my gosh. Look at this girl. She found something. She's digging in the snow. I don't like that. Oh, my hands are cold. I have no gloves. Oh man. Let's go, Mimi. Yeah. You're so happy to be on the snow, aren't you? Come on, Chachi. Come on, baby. Corre. Calla, mira esa linda. Yeah, it's too cold for them, so we're gonna put them back inside and we'll be right out. And yeah, this is my baby right there. You see it? This is the car. It's right here. Look at that. Wow, I love it. I love it. Come on, man, let's go back inside. Let's go back inside. So what's basically going on? So we're all having a little private photo shoot from my mom. Look at this. Look, that's so cool. It's like, I don't know, it looks so cool with the tree and the snow. It's amazing. I mean, look at this tree. I'm about to take the thumbnail right here. This tree right here. Hey, Panita.
Can you help me make a snowman?
My hands are cold, aren't they?
Essen, come here.
Can you
I don't
help
want
me
to.
make a snowman?
Okay. Yeah, alright guys. So we're gonna take a break now. My camera's about to get super wet, so I don't want that. So yeah, we're gonna, oh sorry, I just saw a snowflake falling. Okay, so yeah, what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna take a break. And then we're gonna help my little sister build a snowman. It's gonna be fun. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got my camera, no. I guess I'm going back outside. And apparently,
What happened?
I don't know, but there were like branches near a car. Close the door, close the door, close the door, close the door, close the door before the crickets out. Look at this. Look at this. I just heard some crack, look. The weight of the snow is too much for the trees. Look, this branch, those branches right there, or trunks, I don't even know. But all this right here, all that fell from the trees because the weight of the snow was too much. And it almost hit both our cars. Oh, that's bad.
You can pull that one.
That's bad.
Let's look at that tree. It's leaning.
Which one? Oh my god, I was leaning. And then this one was camera, not the time for that, bro. Okay, yeah, this is bad. I don't know what to do. I don't know if we should move them. But I don't know. But you can't even see where the sidewalk is over here anymore. It's just packed.
I didn't say cold, I said road.
That was crazy. Oh, I hear more. Oh my gosh. They just fell over there and near over here too, in front of our house. I know.
Where?
Guys, it's crazy. Okay, there's branches falling right now. I'm about to hit our cars and everything. Oh my god. As a playful thing of snow, it can be very dangerous because these branches right here are literally falling. There's one that fell on that sand over there. They're everywhere. They started falling everywhere over there.
This is like the
So
most
guys,
safest zone.
if you guys are in Georgia right now and you guys are experiencing this snowstorm, be careful, okay? Because well, for one, it's very dangerous. You can get hurt. Look,
Oh, that
I barely got that one. That one fell in our backyard too. Oh my gosh, and it's super bad, okay? I barely got that, okay? Oh man, this is scary, guys. So you guys just be careful out there, okay? Okay? My hands are
I
freezing right
don't
now.
think you could hear an answer.
Hey, Junior, be careful. Okay, I'm out.
I was in second place and I died because of the power.
Oh my god, guys, I don't know if it's gonna pop up again, but I'm gonna try see if I can get it. But I think power is going off everywhere.
So that's what
We decided to put the car in there because it would be the best choice for the branches won't hit. And we don't have any other room for this car, so we're gonna put it in that spot and just hope nothing's happening so far. We had another branch fall right there. And that's about it. I don't really see any more snow falling, so it might have been over already, but I don't know. I might still continue and later on. I don't know, it's scary. Okay. The snow. I'm glad you came, but it's like you put too much on us. Didn't I put too much on us? Ooh.
A little too much.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording now. I have no idea what I recorded today, okay? But that's gonna end the vlog, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Today was a pretty crazy day, I gotta say. Yeah, I actually don't know what to do anymore, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for every time I post, you guys be notified. You got it? And yeah, that's great. I'm almost at the 50 subs, so let's meet. I hope after this video I hit it. I'll be halfway to 100, and that's halfway to my goal. So yeah, I'm getting there. But yeah, please leave a like, subscribe, guys. You guys know everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next time. Yeah.